Okay. Good morning, students. In last lesson, we had discussed the exercise from exercise 2.1, that is question number 1 and question number 2, right? And now we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 2.1, and this exercise is based on RB Sharma, right? So in question number 3 is saying that prove that the function is defined natural numbers to natural numbers defined by fx. We have to given function fx is equals to x square plus x plus 1 is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, so firstly we have defined the function is defined natural numbers to natural numbers, right? And functions is given in question, that is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so for checking for 1 1, now we are checking for 1 1, and we have to prove that this function is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, so students, firstly we will see the definition of 1 1. What is the definition of 1 1? So is the is definition of 1 1, right? That is 1 1 function is said to be 1 1 function. We have to write this 1 1 function is said to be if different if different element and if different element of domain if different element of domain have different image have different image in codomain. Okay, so it will be when the when this condition is satisfying, then we will say the this function is 1 1, right? So we have to function given function, that is fx is equals to x square plus x plus 1, right? So so we let suppose fx is equals to fy. When fx is equals to y, so if x is equals to y, if we get x is equals to y, then our function is 1 1, will be 1 1. Okay, so we write let we are starting this question, let x y belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so such that fx is equals to fy, right? So we are replacing to x to y, we are replacing to x to y. Fx fy is equals to, sorry, y square plus y plus 1. Okay, so we equate fx is equals to fy. So when we equate, that implies that x square plus x plus 1 is equals to y square plus y plus 1. Okay, so 1 say 1 cancel out, so we have get x square minus y square plus x minus y is equals to 0. Now we have to put the property of x square minus y square, right? X square minus y square is x square minus y square is x minus y and x plus y. So put this x minus y and x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 0. So x minus y take common, so we'll get x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so when we take x minus y, so when we take x minus y is equals to 0, so we will get x plus y is equals to 0, x is equals to y. Okay, and when we take x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0, so we get x plus y is equals to -1. Okay, so first in questions we have given that x and y belongs to natural numbers. Okay, and we know clearly that the sum of natural numbers will always be greater than 1. Okay, the sum of natural numbers will always be greater than 1, should always be greater than 1. Okay, because if we put, suppose natural numbers is 1 and plus 1, that is 2 also, the result will be 2, so it will be greater than 1. So but in this situation, in this condition, we have given the x plus y is equals to -1, so can't possible, right? Cannot possible, so leave it, and we have to x is equals to y. So in firstly we will we will suppose that we have supposed that fx is equals to fy. So if we get x is equals to y, then our function is 1 1. So we write, therefore the function, the given function is 1 1. Okay, so now the second we have to prove that this function is not onto. Okay, so please write it. So now we are checking for onto function. Okay, so for onto function, suppose we have function is defined as x from x to y. Okay, so this is x, this function x, and this function is y. Okay, so according to definition of onto, we have to write that this is every, for definition of onto, every element of y should have three image, should have every element of y should have three image in x. Okay, so there will, so there are, that means there are will, that means there are no element, there are no element will, there are no element left, there are no element will left in y. That means which, that okay, that which we are right, that which not having, that which not having pre-image. Okay, that means range should be equal to codomain of function. Okay, then we will say our function is onto function, right? So we have given the function that is fx is equals to x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so when we our domain value, our domain, the given function is defined natural to natural numbers, right? So domain are natural numbers. So we put all natural numbers in input of function. So when we take f1 is equals to, that will we get 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, and when we take 2, that is 2 ka square, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. And when we take third 3, that is 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is 13. Okay, so we write fx, therefore we write fx does not have value 1, 2 and 4, 5 and 6, right? So fx is function y, right? So it have we have a given function that is natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means 6 and infinite, and that is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is also a natural numbers. Codomain is also a natural numbers, right? So when we are mapping these elements, so we get 1 is belonging to 3, okay, and 2 is belonging to 2 is belonging to यहाँ 7 ले लेते हैं हम. 2 is belonging to 7. So in y, because according to definition of 1 on 2, every element of y should have preimage, but here 1 and 2 have not any preimage, and 3, 4, 5, 6 also not having preimage. So it means here so that means there are range not equals to codomain, right? So our function fx is equals to x squared plus x plus 1 is not will not onto, okay. So I hope you all are getting this point. That is question number 3, so easy. I have explained, right? So now we are looking the question number. So now question number 4, we have let A is a set -1, 0 and 1, and function is a set of x square, x comma x square, such that x belongs to set A, right? So that f function is defined A to A, from A to A is neither 1, 1 nor onto, okay. So firstly, in questions we have given set A, we have given 1, -1, 0 and 1, okay, and function is given function is a set of x comma x square, such that x belongs to A, okay. So the function is defined A to A, and function is defined from A to A, right? So we have to take all the elements from A. So if we create our function is a set of x square, right? So when x is -1, that is -1, so x square is 1, and when the function is 0, then x square also 0, and function when x is 1, so x is 1, so function is so x square is 1, right? So here are we have to find the domain also, right? We have to find domain also from the function. What is domain? The first element of set A, right? All are the first element, that is known as domain, that is -1, 0 and 1. And what is range? When we find range is 1 and 0. इसको हम इस तरीके से डिफाइन करेंगे. फर्स्ट लिख लेते हैं 0 and that is 1, and 1 is 2 repeated, so we write in a set form 1 is only 1, right? So domain here are -1, 0, 1, and range is 0, 1, okay. And when we write about domain is a second set of function, that is second set is also A, so we write to domain this is -1, 0 and 1, right? So we have to check for 1, 1 for 1, 1 function. Okay, and we know clearly that for one function we have a different element of a domain, right? uh, we have a every element of y, it's a range. When we talk about for one every element of x, of it means x, that means domain, every element of domain have different image in a codomain, that is right. So here are uh, so if we mapping the if we draw a mapping diagram, that is x and that is y, that is -1, 0 and 1, and y is 0 and 1. Okay, so range is 0 comma 1. Okay, so when uh, we have a element of x have a image of 1, -1, and also the element of x, that is 1, have a same pre-image, that is 1, right? So it's not satisfying the definition of 1 1, because in 1 1 function every element of domain have different image, but here are -1 and -1 and 1 have same image, that is 1, right? So it's not satisfying the definition of 1 1. So we can say this function is not 1 1. Okay, so when we check about for onto function, so onto function we have clearly know that every element of y should have uh, it should have pre-image in x. Okay, but here are x0 is element which not have which not have a pre-image, right? So and here are domain the value is -1 0 comma 1 for the onto function is second way, जो second method है हमारा second way है वो है कि domain are equal to range, should be equal to range, but in this situation domain are not equals to range, because domain are -1 0 comma 1 and range is 0 comma 1, right? So from this from this, because it's not satisfying the definition of onto function, we are saying that this function is also not onto function. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आई होप आपको ये जो भी मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपके सामने डिस्कस किया हुआ है, आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टूड. ओके, so question number 5 we are discussing tomorrow, question number 5 and 6. Okay, and you have to try yourself also, because it's too easy and it's all too same which we have earlier discussed in class as a question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, okay, thank you.